Hi guys, Jack from Vanshades. Today I'm going to show you how to install Window Pod B for the Ford Transit Custom. Okay, so we're on the sliding door for Window Pod B. We're just going to offer this up to the window recess. You may find it easier to open the door and put the pod in and then close the door with it in situ, but that's holding there nicely now. I'm going to take the self-drilling tech screws provided and a driver. And there you go, a blackout and thermally insulated window pod blind system installed in minutes. We've just finished a series of installation videos for window pods on the Ford Transit Custom. This product's available on our website, vanshades.co.uk. That includes the Spectrum signature range, which is available in 212 painted colours. Before you go, I'm just going to show you the effectiveness of the blackout blind. We've got some filming lights behind this window. I'm going to shut the blind now. How's that for proof of concept?